So this is a demonstration to show that dark colours, like black biro, absorb light energy and change them into heat. So for this demonstration, we're using a little lens. It's a nice bright sunny day, United Kingdom, south of England. It's early September. I'm going to focus the light on the white paper, and the white paper is it's just not going to burn. It's just not quite hot enough. If we lived somewhere hotter, maybe, but not today. If I then, I know it's not. So if we're going to move it onto the spot, onto the black dot just there, and we can see smoke straight away.
And it's fire.
Yeah, look at that.
Daddy, it's fire.
Yeah, so we can burn it straight away because the dark colour from the ink is absorbing the light energy and changing that energy into heat. So when you see something that's just blackness, it's because the light energy isn't being reflected. We got that, guys?
Yeah. Can you get another spot on it?
Oh yeah.
It's just not burning.
Tell you what, you get small bits of paper and we'll do some more. So we've designed an experiment, and you can join in with us at home. All you're going to need is a stopwatch. In this experiment, we're going to see how long it takes the different coloured bits of paper to catch fire. So we're going to see if there's actually a difference. And as our control for the experiment, we've got a white spot in the middle. So we'll do our red one first, I think.
Well, you got it.
Yeah. And that's gone. Yep, it's definitely gone. See, we've just got a little hole burn there. Wait, right.
Nearly. Do
Yeah.
another hub. Do another burn.
Oh yeah, we will. We'll do the blue one there, shall we? Go. It's not a perfectly good experiment because there's a slight change in the light and all sorts, but it's not a bad start. That's definitely gone though. See the smoke there? Wow.
Can I do the black? Can I do?
Maybe after we've done the video, just so we're using the same technique each time, because if we have a different technique, then it won't be a fair test. Hang on, let's start the green one again. Ready? Go.
Burn a hole.
Yeah, oh, pretty quickly, didn't it?
And another one.
And the black one, ready? It might be that I'm changing the focal point. Oh, that's gone almost straight away. So
And
it's
then the
not
white one?
Yeah, it's not a particularly good experiment, is it? Because it's
But
not
we'll
really
do
a
the
fair
white one.
test. Yeah.
Daddy.
Should we do the black one again? Because I'm not sure we teed everyone up to do it very well. Ready? 3, 2, hang on, get focus. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. And that's gone ready. Wow. And then we'll put it on the white paper, so in the middle in the spot, which is our control. So we've got something to compare it to.
No.
Nah, hasn't gone yet. I am getting tired and my hands are shaking. It still hasn't gone.
It's gone.
No, it still hasn't caught fire.
It's still red.
Yeah, I know. Hasn't caught fire. There's no smoke. Nothing.
Nothing.
If we were in a hotter place, it would probably work. And maybe if I keep it for long enough, but I don't think everybody wants to watch that. So I'll stop now. Anyway, this is Science Bus. If you've enjoyed any of this nonsense, subscribe and all that other stuff. Hey?
Since it's real, it works.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about, but yeah, absolutely.